Hi, Pre-K. Hello, it's good to see you today. So we've got some calendar math to do, and we are going to get right into it because we have a new thing to share with you today with your number grid. You're going to need to have that in front of you today. You also need a piece of paper and also your pencil so that you can write the days of school and the day of the month. So I hope you're having a great day. Let's start. All right, students, how many months are there in the year? All right, let's go ahead and say them. Ready? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. I'm laughing because when I picked up my Apple stick, the number that we're going to use today was stuck to it. So I'm going to take that off. All right, students, how many days are there in the week? There are 7 days in the week. You're right. Let's sing them. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And what day is it today? Right, it's Wednesday. And you know what? We actually talked about that yesterday on Audrey's birthday. We talked about how the tomorrow was going to be Wednesday, April 22nd. So now it's not tomorrow anymore, it's today. So we say today is Wednesday, April 22nd. Let's go ahead and get that card up today so that we can see the number. I'm noticing some interesting things about the 22nd. 20, the first two for 20, and the second two is the second. So let's say it again. Today is Wednesday, April 22nd, 2020. Boy, we thought there were a lot of twos yesterday, didn't we? But today there's even more. Say today is Wednesday, April 22nd, 2020. Very good. Now, students, what is tomorrow going to be? So today was Wednesday. Let's sing our song just to check to make sure your guess is right. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. That's right, Thursday. So tomorrow will be Thursday, April. What comes after 22? That's right, 23, or we would call it 23rd. So tomorrow will be Thursday, April 23rd, 2020. Wonderful. Good job, students. Let's go ahead and write our number for today. Our number for today is the 22nd, and you can see that there are 2 twos. Say that very fast. 2 twos. Oh, wait. That sounds like a ballerina's outfit. 2 twos. Here we go. So we have a 2, forward circle, backward slant, slide right. Yeah, or slant left, I should say. Forward circle, slant left, slide right. You can almost not even see my slide right because it's right on the line, which is how it should be. That's just right. You want to see something really cool? If we were to write the entirety of the day's date in just numerals, you might see your parents writing these dates like this. Look at all those 2s I'm writing. Isn't that great? So 4 represents April because April is the 4th month of the year. 22 that's today's date. And then 2020 because that's the year we're in. Look at all those 2s you can write. I remember back when it was February 22nd. That was a long time ago though. All right, so we know that today's number is 22. Okay, well, I see an empty square there, and that must mean that we're gonna do our days in school. So I've given you a really big clue. What color is that? Is orange. You're right. Let's just double check that Mrs. Hilt was right in putting an orange card. Let's look at our pattern. So if we start with 0 the hero, it's a white card, then red, then orange. White, red, orange. Let's go to the next one. Zip. White, red, orange. Fast forward. Blah, 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 blah. White, red. Is it orange next? It is orange. Fast forward. White, red. Is it going to be orange? It is. Okay, and we keep going. White, red, orange. White, red, orange. White, red, orange. And the last, white, red, and orange. Hey, isn't that great? They're going to be right on top of each other. That's kind of fun. Okay, so we're going to go back and write on the orange card. That is correct. But what number is it going to be? Let's count starting at 70. That's a more recent number. We don't have to count by ones all the way today. Let's do 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. Are you saying it with me? 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82. And you know we're right because all of the oranges also have a 2 on them. So 82 is the number that we're going to write today. So pick up your pencil and get out your piece of paper. And I'm going to write 82 on our orange card. Ready? Make an S, but do not wait. Climb back up and blast off. And here's the 2. Ready? Another 2. Forward circle, slant left, slide right. All right, we've got it, 82. So that's gonna go on our, I'll just leave that there. It's gonna go on our wall, on our number line. Here we go. Oh man. Perfect. Wonderful. We're getting to 100 day by day by day. All right, well, let's take a look at our number line that we have going on. So we always look at our calendar in the regular calendar form by weeks, but then we look at it in a big number line and we talk about our patterns. And yesterday we made those wonderful ABCD patterns. So let's just count our number line by ones. Here we go, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, that's 10 and 1. 12, that's 10 and 2. 13, we'll keep going. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and there's my blue tape ready. What number are we doing? 22, that's right. Oh, Mrs. Hilt lost the 22. How sad. I had it all ready to go. There it is. There it is. And I'm going to just hold my hand over it. Does anybody know what the color on 22 is going to be? Did you notice that on the calendar? Let's check. Red, blue, yellow, green. Red, blue, yellow, green. Red. If you said blue, you are so correct. And then we're going to write what letter above it. Every blue has a B above it. B for blue. Oops. There we go. So we know that we have our number line has gone up to 22. Okay, well, I want to share something with you. Maybe you notice, hey, Mrs. Hilt, we didn't count by ones, and typically we count by 5s as well. Well, I have something new to share with you. You have this in your packet. So go ahead and pause the video and get that out for me because we're going to play with our 100 board. Okay, You've got your 100 board in front of you, and we're gonna count by fives. But notice, instead of going all the way across the wall, like this number line does, our days in school, this one lines them up kind of like we line up our numbers on our math mat. And notice how all the numbers, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then if you follow this column all the way down, you see all the zero the hero numbers. We're going to do that one on Friday. We might do that today, actually. Notice in this first column, it has all the ones. In this column, what do you see? That's right, it has all the twos. So today we're going to count by fives. So which column do you think we're going to look at if we're going to count by five? Should we look at the column that has 3 on it? No. Should we look at the column that has 4 on it? Nope. Should we look at the columns that have 5 on it? Yeah, if we're counting by fives, we're definitely going to look at that column. But there's another column we're going to look at. Remember, when we count by fives, you have to count every 5th number. So it's 5 and... That's right, it's the zero, the hero column. We're also going to count that one. So follow my Apple pointer, and if you don't need to look at me doing it, you can look at your own number 100 board, and you can point to the numbers with me. Here we go, ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, and our number is 82. Do you see the 82 on the next line? There it is. There's our 82. That is our number for the day. You know, you saw me kind of sliding my Apple pointer so I wouldn't skip any fives or zero the heroes, but did I need to slide it? I didn't have to. We can do it again and go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and so on. So you can try that again on your own after we're done with the video. You can do that on your own. Let's also count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now the furthest we've gotten it on our days in school line is 80, but we're almost to 100 in there. But you can see how we just had to take our fingers down the column to count by tens. So that's a game that you can play. Actually, I have another game I want to play with you. So I am thinking of a number that is after 15, but before 17. So let's see, I'm looking for 15. That's 5, 10. Oh, there's 15. So it's after 15, but before 17. Where's 17? Oh, that's a 7. That's 17. So what's the number after 15 and before 17? If you said 16, you are correct. Remember, the 16 is a 1 and a 6. The zero, the hero, is hiding. You can't even see him. He's gone away. So it's 16. Very good. Okay, here's another number. Let's go ahead and write the 16 just to make sure we remember how to write it, okay? So we have a 1, and then we have a 6. There we go. Okay, sailing back into a loop, number 6 can roll a hoop, right? So we've got the slanting back into a loop, number 6 can roll a hoop. There we go. Yeah, okay, let's do another one. That's kind of a fun game. Okay, I'm thinking of a number that is after 13 and before 15? Well, I already know where 15 is. I remember where that one is. So the number before 15 is here. Let's just double check. Let's find 13. There's 13. Remember the third kind of sounds like 3. 13. Okay, this is the number that comes after 13, and this is the number that comes before 15. So it must be this number. What number is this? Well, I see a 10, I see a 1, and remember the 0, the hero is hiding. And then I see a 4. So we know that 1 stands for teen, and this is 4. 14. Ah, the number is 14. Let's go ahead and write that one now. Pick up your pencil, and we know we do pull down for the 1, and then we do short pull down, slide right, pick up my pencil, pull down. There's our 14. So you can play this game at home with your families with your 100 card. So go ahead and ask your mom or your dad or maybe your big brother or sister to find a number, think of a number, and then they have to give you clues on where to find that number. You could even play the column and row game. You could say it's in the first column in the third row. Let's check. So first column, remember columns go down. So first column, and I said third row. So rows go left to right. So 1, 2, 3. First column, third row. What number is that? 21. That was our number of yesterday. So you can play a game like that too with your board. So there are a lot of games you can play with your 100 board. I hope you have a good time with it. You're going to do some things with that today, but then you can play other games with it as well. All right. Have a wonderful day, pre-K. I'll see you again soon. Bye.